Hello friends, welcome to Itihas Bharat. Today I am going to discuss about Shivaji's early life. Before starting the video, I will request to all the viewers to subscribe Itihas Bharat, like video, share it and drop your valuable comment. It was in this atmosphere that Shivaji was born in April 1627. His father's name was Shahji Bhosla and his mother's name was Jijabai. Shahji Bhosle had played a very important part in the politics of Ahmednagar and Bijapur. Jijabai was the daughter of Jadhav Rao, the greatest Maratha Jagirdar of his time and a descendant of the Yadav rulers of Devgiri. Both from the side of his father and mother, Shivaji was highly connected. Shivaji's mother exercised a tremendous influence on her son. She was a very pious lady and she did a lot to mold the character of her son. She taught her son the stories of the Ramayana and the Mahabharata and the acts of bravery on the part of the Hindu warriors in the past. She, by her example and teaching, did much to stimulate the zeal of her famous son in defense of Brahmins, cows, and caste, the three principal objects of Hindu venerations. According to Justice Renarde, if ever great men owed their greatness to the inspiration of their mothers, the influence of Jijabai was a factor of prime importance in the making of Shivaji's career and the chief source of his strength. Dadaji Kondadev also played an important part in the life of Shivaji. He was the administrator of the estates of Shivaji's father in Pune. The administrator loved Shivaji as his son. He gave him training in the art of riding, fighting, etc. He also taught him the art of administration. Both Ram Das and Tukaram had their influence on the life of Shivaji. Ram Das was virtually regarded by Shivaji as his guru or spiritual guide or philosopher. The Guru Mantra or the sacred formula which Ram Das whispered into the ears of Shivaji was the love of his country and nation. Mother and mother country are dearer than heaven itself. Gods and cows, Brahmins and the faith, these are to be protected. Therefore, God has raised you up. When faith is dead, death is better than life. Why live when religion has perished? Such was the training and such was the environment in which Shivaji started his work. In the youth, he made himself thoroughly familiar with the hilly country around Pune. He also mixed freely with the Mawali chiefs of his own age. Their friendship proved of great value to him later on. He got his best soldiers from them. The Mawalis were hardy and brave people and were well acquainted with every nook and corner of the country. This helped them a great deal when they were pursued by the Mughals and the forces of Bijapur. So, friends, this is all about Shivaji's early life. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Now it's time to say goodbye. We will meet soon. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.